Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Pick a transparent sticky note sized for the task and check adhesion type. Once done, wipe the target surface with an alcohol pad so the note sticks cleanly. Dry it fully. Peel a single note from a corner using gentle, steady force to prevent stretching or curling. Make sure you hold the backing flat and pull the note rather than the backing. This preserves transparency and edge alignment for neat placement. Now align the note over the exact spot you want. Use the edge of a ruler or your fingernail as a guide if precision matters. Once aligned, press the center first, then smooth outward with light, even pressure to avoid trapped air bubbles. If the surface curves, flex the note slightly and trim the corners for a flush fit. Make sure you don't press too hard. Overcompression can make the adhesive visible and reduce clarity. After application, write with a fine point permanent marker or grease pencil for legibility and quick drying. Water-based pens may smear. Once you finish, avoid heavy handling for a minute to let any ink set and the adhesive bond. If you notice air bubbles or misalignment, lift the closest edge slowly and reapply while smoothing outward. Use a credit card edge for stubborn bubbles. If adhesive fails on a surface, clean and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.